Okay, today I'm going to explain how to insert the page number or slide number. Okay, if you want to insert the slide number, you can go to insert that, and also you can click this slide number, and also you can click, and also you can set the date and times, and then you can click this apply to all, so you may get like this, so this, and then you can so this style you can change as you like. This you can change as you like. So if you change only one by one, you can get only like this. So this is called how to insert your slide number. So insert slide numbers, and also you can insert your header and footer like this. You can insert as you like. For example, I would like to insert footer using view via PowerPoint. If I click apply to all, so I can get like this. Using apply to all, like this I can get. So this how to insert your footnotes, footers, and also page number and dates. So please go to, and then I would like to create new slides, and then I want to insert the equation. So this equation, if you want to, so the equation, if you want to create equation, you need to go insert, and then you can use direct equation for the lower portion of this tools. If you click this upper portion, you can get like this. Very different clicking upper portion and lower portion. And also if you want to write, for example, your Pythagoras theorem, so you can choose, so like this is square. And then you can choose one of the black side, so one of the black sides, where the black side, so and also you can write black from the keyboard, so you can write black. So I need to select, I need to so now my cursor is at the superscript position, so you need to press right arrow key from the keyboard to go down, so from the superscript. Now your cursor is normal condition, and then you can write plus, and then you can choose one of the style, the squares, and then you need to go down with the right arrow key to get normal positions, not to get superscript positions. Now your cursor is in the superscript position like this. And then so you need to press right arrow key from the keyboard, so and then you can write equation from the keyboard or from these two, and then you can choose as you like. And then see square. And then you can edit your format as you like. You can edit, don't worry, so like this, and then you can edit your slide this. This is called inserting equation. And also you can insert for example, I write something currencies. Here you can see one currency symbol here, so you can choose inside that, and also you can click this symbol, and also you can choose as you like. So not only the currency you can choose. So see you are so you, for example, so as you like, you can choose not only the currency within like this. Okay, for example, I would like to choose like this, and also I can choose one of the style, so like this you can choose. Okay, this is the symbol, you can choose as you like. So I hope you may understand how to insert equation and how to insert the symbol, not the currency symbols. Okay, so and then I would like to draw a table. So you need to go inside that, and then you can draw one of the tables like this. If you click, and then you can adjust your draw, for example, table. So if you write, so table, so okay, item list, item like this, headers, ACD headers like this. Okay, you can adjust your text location, so like this you can adjust, and also you can adjust your height, and also like this, and also you can directly adjust, so like this you can directly adjust. If your cursor show like this side, so you can adjust like this. Okay, as you like, you can do. This is called how to insert a table. And also you can match your table cell like this. Okay, I would like to get only one cell. You have to select firstly left click, select, and then right click, and then match cell. So you can get this only one cell. And also, so this is match cell. You can split your cells also. Please put the cursor here or one of the cells. Okay, like this. Okay, for me I would like to, okay, click here, and then I would like to split cell. You can split as you like, you can do. Okay, for me row number 2 colon, so that means I can get 2 colon. If I want to, okay, next, okay, please select here from the left click and right click and split cell, and then you can split as you like. You can do, okay, 2 colon 3 rows like this, as you like, you can do. And also you can add slash here, and then right click, you can add your table cell. For example, insert right. Okay, you can get next. Okay, you can write next column. Okay, and also you can insert okay, your column to the left, so that means you can get another column. Okay, that means, and also you can delete this. So okay, delete rows, so you can delete. So that means how to insert a table, and how to edit your table rows and columns, and also how to align your text in the tables. And also you can edit your table design with the border, or so this all border you can get like this. And also you can adjust your shading. For example, I would like to get this shading. Okay, this shading, so you can edit, so like this, you shading So okay, so I hope you may understand how to insert table, and also how to insert the equation, and also how to insert the symbol. Okay, as you like, you can insert. Thanks for watching.